If you've ever needed to back up your Evernote notes, move them to another computer, or keep a clean offline copy of your work, this video is going to help. Today, I'm showing you how to export your Evernote notes quickly and properly, whether you want to save an entire notebook or just export a few specific notes. This is a great skill to know if you want better control over your notes, easier backups, or a simple way to keep your information organized outside of Evernote. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, I'll show you how to export an entire notebook in Evernote. To do that, open the Evernote desktop app on your computer. Once it loads, look at the left panel and click on Notebooks. This will show you all of the notebooks stored in your account. Now find the notebook you want to save. Next to the notebook name, click the three dots icon, which is the More Actions menu. From the menu that appears, choose Export Notebook. Evernote will now ask you to choose a file format. You'll usually see ENEX and HTML. If you want to preserve tags and metadata, ENEX is the better choice. If you want a format that's easier to view in a browser, choose HTML. After that, you may see options for extra details like dates or tags. Select the settings you want to keep because these details can be important if you're planning to import the notebook later or keep an organized archive. When everything looks right, click Export. Now choose where you want to save the file on your computer. Pick a folder that you can remember easily, like Documents or Desktop, and then click Save. That notebook will now be exported as a file on your device. If you want to export another notebook, simply repeat the same process for each one. Now let's look at how to export individual notes or multiple notes at once. This is useful if you don't need an entire notebook, just a few important notes. Open the Evernote desktop app again and go to the notes you want to save. If you want to select more than one note, you can hold down Ctrl on Windows or CMD on Mac to click individual notes one by one. You can also use Shift to select a block of notes. Keep in mind that selecting loose individual notes is limited to 100 at a time. Once your notes are selected, right-click on them and choose Export. A window will appear with format options. You may see ENEX, single-page HTML, or multi-page HTML. Again, ENEX is best if you want to preserve note data, while HTML is helpful if you just want readable files for viewing in a browser. Choose the format that fits your goal, then click Export. After that, pick the folder where you want to save the exported notes and confirm the location. Click Save, and Evernote will create the export file for the notes you selected. If you're exporting a lot of content, it's a smart idea to organize the files into separate folders so they're easier to find later. You can also rename the exported files so you know exactly what they contain. A quick tip before we finish: if your goal is backup, ENEX is usually the safest option because it preserves more of your Evernote structure. If your goal is simple viewing or sharing, HTML may be more convenient, so choose your format based on what you want to do with the notes after exporting. And that's it. You now know how to export your Evernote notes. Whether you're saving one notebook or just a few selected notes, this is one of the easiest ways to protect your information and keep a copy of your work outside of Evernote. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.